Hey there, this video is regarding how to restore your iPhone to factory settings. Today I will show you how to restore your iPhone to factory settings, or if you want to erase data or settings on your iPhone. Before you start, make sure you have an data backup on your iCloud or data of your iPhone saved on your computer, because factory reset erases all of your data on your iPhone. From here, you need to go to settings. So let me just click on my settings. Go to general then. In general, scroll all the way down to the bottom. You have option called reset. Click on the reset. If you have logged in using your Apple ID, you'd have option showing as transfer or reset your iPhone. You need to enter your Apple ID password and also the password of your iPhone if prompted. I'll not get any prompt to enter my iPhone password or Apple ID password as I haven't set up any of those on this iPhone. Now I'll click on erase all content and settings, then click on erase iPhone, again click on erase iPhone. Now your iPhone will start erasing all the data and settings in your iPhone. This might take a couple of minutes for your iPhone to erase. I will fast forward this so that you don't have to wait. I think this is done with erasing all the data and settings of my iPhone. Now I can set up my iPhone from factory settings as I do it with my new iPhone for the first time. Thanks for watching.